Hello, here I am with one of my favourite bass guitars. I really enjoy playing the bass in the Djangus Band. Perhaps I should spend a moment just letting you know what I do in the Djangus Band. I'm the lead singer, and I also play the bass, and of course, as hopefully you've found out, I do some songwriting as well as recording. One thing that you may find a little interesting, perhaps, is that I'm a physician. You might also call me a scientist because I've been a drug developer, and yet still I'm a musician as well, and I very much enjoy music. And there are many connects between music and science, and for that matter, music, science and humanity. One thing that you need to know, of course, is that there are very special parts of your brain that are dedicated to the appreciation of music. And so everybody has that in them. And so maybe a starting point is to say that whether you're a physician or no matter what you're doing, you also have these specialized centers for music in your brain, and therefore there's a pretty good chance that scientific people are going to have a tendency towards music in any case. So that's one point. But another point is that a lot of what one does these days in the music field is quite technical. I've said already that I wouldn't want the technical stuff to be there instead of the creative genius, but we do need to understand these days that musicians will very much help themselves if they learn the technical aspects. And these include, of course, the use of the effects, the use of computers, and a wide range of technologies. So music can be connected with science actually through technology, and that's quite an important thought. Another thought is, of course, that science and medicine can sometimes be totally inspirational, but often it's also quite structured. Music has similar characteristics. Sometimes it's a burst of inspiration, but other times it can be using the discipline of knowing the structure and function of the song to put good material together, and understanding that and doing it in a logical way. Understanding technology can very much help you to create good music, particularly on the recording side. And just overall, there's a discipline to science and medicine, and there's a discipline to learning music well. You heard me say earlier on, perhaps, that you really do need to learn how to sing. You really do need to learn how to play your instrument. This takes discipline. Science also takes discipline. So does medicine. So do many fields of endeavor. So in reality, there are many connects between music and science. And perhaps one last thing I'll leave you with. It could be a fairly boring physician or scientist who doesn't have other interests. And I always think that the most interesting people may well know a lot about science, medicine, or some other field of endeavor, but they should also have an appreciation of the arts. And of course, one of the great arts is music.